In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage spam in Skool. Spam can derail conversations, confuse new members, and drain your team's time. So let's walk through a clear, reliable setup that keeps your community clean without adding extra friction. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. When the results appear, click the official Skool website. If you see multiple results, choose the one that clearly references the platform you use for your community to avoid landing on any unofficial pages. Once you're on the site, log into your account. Use the credentials associated with your community role, whether that's an admin or moderator. If you're part of multiple communities, make sure you're inside the specific community you want to manage before moving forward. From within your community, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the Communities menu or via a gear icon. Inside Settings, look for Plugins. This is where optional but powerful features live that can help you manage members more effectively. Open Membership Questions. Here's where you'll enable pre-approval screening. Turn on the toggle to activate membership questions. With this on, you can add up to 3 questions that new members must answer before joining. Keep your questions clear and relevant to your community's purpose. For example, ask for a specific keyword you've shared in your welcome materials, or request a short, detailed reason for joining. These prompts make automated spam obvious and help you understand genuine intent. You might also ask about experience level or goals to tailor onboarding later. Keep it concise so good applicants aren't deterred, and update your questions over time as patterns change. Now, for keeping the feed tidy day to day, admins and moderators can quickly remove obvious spam. When you spot a spam post, click the 3 dots on the post and select Delete. This immediately removes the content for everyone and prevents it from derailing active discussions. Use this consistently to set the tone for quality. If a member repeatedly violates your guidelines or accumulates multiple strikes, go to Members in your community. Open their membership details, then select Ban from Group. Banning removes their access and prevents further disruptions. Use it for clear, repeated abuse or blatant spam, and document the reason in your internal notes so your team stays aligned. That's it. Search and log in, enable membership questions under Plugins, craft smart prompts to filter bots, delete spam as you see it, and ban persistent offenders. With these steps, your Skool community will stay welcoming, focused, and spam-free.